Hey Jesse, this is Juan with Escort in Oklahoma City. Wanted to send you a quick little video of the Odyssey that we were talking about all day today. So this is the 2016 Honda Odyssey EX. It's got great tires, just like I mentioned on that original text message. It's a little bit dirty, but it is also the modern steel color. So this is my wife's favorite color right here actually. Wanted to again just send you a quick little video so you can see it. It's got two keys. It's got spectacular looking tires. They're almost new. I mean, they're not gonna be new, but they're almost new. Floor mats and everything is in the back. It's kept up in really good shape. It doesn't have any smoke smell, which is good. Nothing against, smokes and all of that, but people do ask me that a lot. So just a couple of things that I've picked up here and there. Like I said, no hail damage. These are just like watermarks. It's been raining here on and off. That's why it's a little bit wet still. But anyway, let me just do a walk around around the vehicle so you can kind of see it without being here. I know you're coming from quite a long way. If this gets done, I see that it's got the splash guards there. Great looking tires. Two keys, clean Carfax. The floor mats are in the back. I'm not sure if you already had an Odyssey before, but that middle seat right there can actually come off. That piece of carpet right there, the line, that's where the spare tire goes actually, so that's why it looks like that. There's a couple of scratches on the front, right there, and on the side, but we'll get to those here in a little bit. This is what the view would be from the third row. Clean seats. It clearly already went to our detail shop and it's now back. That's why the floor mats are back here. They steam wash them and all of that. So let me see. Yep, we got all the floor mats and the plastic piece for the trunk tray, which is good. Those seats are so easy to stow away. You just literally pull on this strap and they fold. They do a magic somersault back, and you can store them away. We use that quite a lot in our own Odyssey. We just bought an Odyssey last year. Let's see. There's a little bit of an imperfection here that I can see. It's like a scratch. Let me see. Catch that on camera. It's subtle. It almost blends in perfectly with where the back bumper meets that piece right there. So yeah, I mean, again, this is Juan with Escort Honda. I just wanted to walk around the vehicle. This is kind of rather fast video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to come out here and take more videos of this for you. Maybe put them together into one video and all of that stuff. I like to put them up on YouTube as of lately. So I just kind of want to see what customers are wanting to see, wanting to do all of that stuff. So I'm here to help you guys. That one salesman at Escort Honda, signing off in one more of my videos. Oh, anticlimactic way to end it, but there's the other scratch that I was talking about. Let me know what kind of questions you might have. I'll be more than happy to answer those for you, and we'll go from there. Quick shot of the miles. He just got a fresh oil change. So yeah, you got my sale, and let me know what the bank says. Peace.